What's up everybody, this is Lenny here again with another video. During quarantine, I just wanted to reflect on the type of content that I've been posting. It's been a variety of different content. That's because I've been searching through my previous recorded footage and just trying to express my creative outlet through this channel and just sharing whatever my vision is through my previous footage. So that being said, I've been running out of footage. So I had this great idea of snooping on some construction workers outside my window these past few weeks, and I've developed a little short clip and I thought it was a great idea. It's like, why don't I just record anything interesting that happens out there with these construction workers, and maybe I can make a little film out of it. I hope you enjoy just a short compound clip of all the different footage that I've been able to gain throughout these past few quarantine weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for every time I post a new video, and feel free to share and check out all my other content on the channel. So without further ado, enjoy.